Welcome back to the Community Corner podcast, where we explore the companies in the S500 through the lens of behavioral finance. I'm Arnav.
And I'm Nikhil. Today, we're focusing on Air Products Chemicals, Inc., a leading industrial gas company that provides atmospheric gases, process and specialty gases, equipment, and services to a wide range of industries, including energy, electronics, and manufacturing. We'll be discussing how behavioral finance impacts their decision-making, diversity and inclusion efforts, adaptation to different markets, and how they compare to other companies in the industry. Let's get started.
Air Products Chemicals has been a significant player in the industrial gases sector for years. From a behavioral finance perspective, how do biases like the status quo bias and overconfidence influence their decision-making, especially in areas like innovation and capital investment?
The status quo bias is particularly relevant to Air Products' approach, especially in how they manage their core business of industrial gases. The status quo bias refers to the preference for maintaining existing conditions rather than making changes. Air Products leverages this bias by focusing on maintaining and optimizing its established gas production and distribution processes. This approach helps ensure reliability and consistency in industries that require precise and uninterrupted gas supplies, such as electronics and healthcare. Overconfidence also plays a significant role, particularly in how Air Products approaches expansion and investment in new projects. Overconfidence refers to the tendency for people to overestimate their abilities or the success of their strategies. Given Air Products' strong history of success and leadership in industrial gases, the company's leadership might exhibit confidence in their ability to take on ambitious projects, such as large-scale hydrogen energy solutions. This confidence can drive Air Products to invest heavily in new technologies and infrastructure with the expectation of securing future market leadership. However, this approach also poses risks if the company overestimates the demand for these new technologies or underestimates the complexities involved in executing large-scale projects.
And this focus on leveraging the status quo bias and overconfidence has helped Air Products maintain its leadership position in the industrial gases sector, appealing to both investors and industries that rely on their reliable supply chain.
Exactly. Air Products' strategic use of the status quo bias in maintaining operational reliability and overconfidence in pursuing new energy solutions appeals to investors looking for a company that balances stability with innovation. However, this approach also means that Air Products must carefully manage the risks associated with market volatility, technological disruptions, and competitive pressures, particularly as the energy landscape continues to evolve with new challenges and opportunities.
Let's talk about diversity, equity, and inclusion at Air Products. As a major player in the industrial sector, DEI is particularly important for Air Products. How does this intersect with behavioral finance?
Air Products' approach to DEI is crucial, especially as the company operates in a global and highly competitive industry where inclusivity can drive better decision-making, innovation, and employee engagement. From a behavioral finance perspective, strong DEI initiatives can enhance Air Products' ability to innovate and adapt by fostering a culture that values diversity and inclusion. A commitment to DEI allows Air Products to attract and retain top talent from various backgrounds, which is essential for maintaining its competitive edge in the industrial gases industry. For investors, Air Products' focus on DEI can signal that the company is socially responsible and aligned with modern societal values, which can enhance its reputation and appeal to ESG-focused investors. Additionally, DEI efforts can help Air Products build stronger relationships with employees, customers, and communities, reinforcing its brand as one that values inclusivity and ethical leadership.
Investors are increasingly considering DEI when evaluating companies, especially in industries like industrial gases, where the ability to foster inclusivity and innovation is critical to long-term success.
That's right. By embedding DEI into their corporate culture and operational strategies, Air Products not only improves its ability to serve a broad range of stakeholders but also strengthens its market position and attractiveness to socially conscious investors.
Moving on to market adaptation, Air Products operates in a highly competitive and resource-intensive industry. How does the company adapt to changing market conditions and environmental regulations, and what role does behavioral finance play in this?
Air Products' strategy involves continuously adapting its production processes, sustainability practices, and customer engagement efforts to meet the evolving needs of the industrial gases market while maintaining its focus on reliability and efficiency. From a behavioral finance perspective, this adaptability is crucial for managing the risks associated with market volatility, regulatory changes, and environmental challenges. Air Products' ability to understand and respond to new market trends such as the increasing demand for hydrogen energy, the shift towards more stringent environmental regulations, and the growing importance of sustainability allows it to stay relevant and competitive. By using data analytics, customer feedback, and market research, Air Products can identify emerging opportunities and adjust its strategies accordingly, helping to mitigate risks and capitalize on new opportunities in the industrial gases industry.
And this adaptability is essential for Air Products, especially as they face competition from other industrial gas companies and the growing demand for more sustainable and innovative solutions. Their ability to maintain their brand's relevance and leadership in a changing industry is key to their continued success.
Exactly. Air Products focus on understanding market dynamics and adapting its strategies accordingly allows them to remain a dominant player in the industrial gases industry while staying ahead of emerging trends and challenges. However, this also requires them to be proactive in responding to changes in environmental regulations, technological advancements, and competitive pressures.
Now, let's compare Air Products to other companies in the industrial gases and chemicals sectors like Linde, Praxair, and Air Liquide. How do the behavioral finance dynamics differ?
Air Products dynamics are often compared to other industrial gases giants like Linde, Praxair now merged with Linde, and Air Liquide, particularly in their approach to sustainability, market expansion, and competition. Air Products' strength lies in its focus on hydrogen, energy, and innovative gas solutions, appealing to investors looking for a company that balances operational reliability with environmental responsibility. Linde, with its emphasis on diversified gas production and global reach, appeals to investors interested in a company that prioritizes scale and market leadership. Air Liquide, known for its leadership in healthcare and electronics gases, attracts those looking for a company that is driving advancements in specialized gas applications. Air Products' behavioral finance dynamics are shaped by its reputation for innovation, strong market presence, and adaptability, making it an attractive option for those seeking stability and growth in the industrial gases industry.
And unlike Linde, which focuses heavily on diversified gas production and global expansion, Air Products' strength lies in its specialization in hydrogen, energy, and sustainability initiatives, appealing to a different type of investor and market.
Absolutely. Each of these companies has its own behavioral finance dynamics that influence how investors perceive their value and potential risks. For Air Products, the focus on hydrogen, energy, sustainability, and market adaptability provides a unique value proposition in the industrial gases industry.
To sum up, Air Products Chemicals, Inc. S approach to business is deeply influenced by behavioral finance principles, whether it's through their sustainability strategies, adaptation to changing market conditions, or their approach to DEI. But like all companies, they are still subject to the biases and perceptions that can influence investor behavior.
That's right. Understanding these dynamics provides a clearer picture of what drives Air Products' stock price and where the potential risks and rewards lie.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of the Community Corner podcast. Until next time, I'm Arnav.
And I'm Nikhil. Stay curious and keep questioning the narratives.